The size chart add-on just allows you to include a size chart inside of your store. We have a couple of different ways of including the size chart, so let's have a look. So to find the size chart, it is just in the homepage template right at the bottom. You can change the button icon and the label and the pop-up size. To activate this add-on, just go to the theme settings, Debutify add-ons, scroll right down to the bottom and find size chart. Once you're inside the size chart add-on customizations, you can start at the top under content. So with this product chaos when, we have a table made from HTML. So let's have a look at how this is set up. Right here, we have the HTML, and we can use the HTML table generator to create this table. Once you've customized this table, all you need to do is copy this code and drop it right into this box. If you have your own size chart set up already, we can use that. So let's have a look at Coin. This size chart is an image, a low quality one for sure, but it works for this demonstration. So as you can see, we have no HTML, but we have used an image. All you need to do is select it, save it, and it'll be there. And then we can see this updated version. And if you're not using Debutify yet, get started today at Debutify.com completely free. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support inside the Debutify app.